Yes, you can use Raenest to receive money from Facebook. Hooray, Nigerians! This is what you have been looking for long. And don't forget, I will be leaving my referral links in the bio. I will walk you on how to set Raenest to your Facebook to start receiving money from Facebook. Part 1. Get your Raenest USD account detail. Open Raenest. Open or log in at raenest.co. 2. Tap account and select USD account. Tap account details or the icon. Copy these three things. 1. Account holder name should match your Meta payout name exactly. 2. Routing number 9 digit. 3. Account number. After that, part 2. Add Raenest to Meta Business Suite. Go to Meta Business Suite, business.facebook.com. Click Monetization in the left menu and Payout. If you don't see monetization yet, go to your page and Professional Dashboard and Monetization. Click Add Payout Method or Set up Payout. Select bank account as the type. Fill in the form. Country, select United States. Currency, USD. Account holder name, enter exactly as shown in Raenest. Routine number, paste from Raenest. Account number, paste from Raenest. Account type, select checking. Click next and add your tax info for Nigeria. Business type, individual if it is just you. Tax ID, you can use your NIN or leave blank if optional, but Meta may require a W8 from form later. Submit. Part 3. Verify the account. Wait 1 to 3 business days. Meta send 1 to 2 small test deposit on your Raenest USD account, usually under $1. Check Raenest, go to USD account and transaction. You will see something like Meta test deposit 0.12 cent. Go back to Meta Business Suite and Payout. Click Verify and enter exact amount. Once verified, you are set. Future Facebook earning goes straight to Raenest. Quick tips for Nigerian creators. Name match. If your Facebook page says Andrew Benson, but Raenest say Andrew O. Benson, Meta may reject it. Make them match. Zero deposit fees. Raenest does not charge you to receive the USD from Meta. You got 4 free deposits per month. Payout threshold. Meta usually payout once you hit $100 around the 21st of each month. Tax form. Meta will eventually ask for a W8 Ben. It's normally just confirm you are not a US taxpayer. After you are paid, your USD land in Raenest. From there, you can convert to Naira at Raenest rate and withdraw to your Nigerian bank. 2. Spend with Raenest visual dollar card for ad subscription. Yes. 3. Hold USD if you want. Stuck on any step, tell me where. I am at the tax form part, or Raenest is not showing the tax deposit yet, and I will troubleshoot it with you. Thanks for your time. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share for as many to benefit